he's just like, all right, we got to go. We got to go somewhere. And he's like, to the boats. He didn't tell anybody like where he was going. He didn't say like, everybody to the boats. I need every man that can come. Jesus just walked out there, and what happened? Jesus walks out to the boat to get on the boat. His disciples follow him. Of course, you would expect that. Okay, well, there's 12 people. No, it says a lot of the crowd got out in boats to follow after Jesus as well and follow him to the other side because they did not know where he was going, but they knew that they wanted to be in the presence of Jesus, right?